Hello everyone, I'm JD Stumpf, a senior consultant engineer at Bastian Solutions. Today we're going to discuss the use of micro-fulfillment centers, or MFCs, which is one of the latest tactics in bringing fulfillment closer to the consumer. You might have heard of hyper-local fulfillment strategies in the development of dark stores. This has been most popular in the grocery sector, but is also very applicable in retail, apparel, and footwear. Explosive growth in digital ordering demonstrates the changes in consumer buying behaviors, which are straining many retailers' supply chain infrastructures while increasing labor and shipping costs. Various MFC concepts have emerged aiming to resolve pain points while enhancing the customer experience. If you're considering a localized fulfillment strategy with an MFC, it's important to understand the key business and automation technology considerations that drive success now and in the future. Also, our recent retail apparel and footwear playbook addresses micro-fulfillment and other considerations in an e-commerce market. So, what do customers expect these days? With increased accessibility and reliability on handheld mobile devices, on-the-go ordering is much more prevalent. The recent pandemic has only expedited the increase in online ordering, whether it's by mail, next day, 2-day delivery, or for in-store pickup within the hour. Retail is all about the customer experience, and what customers are looking for is fast receipt of product, inventory availability, free no-hassle returns, excellent customer service, and still getting the one-on-one interaction when they need it. It's important to understand, however, changing consumer buying behaviors, among other external factors, have created fundamental changes in order fulfillment requirements, inherently creating pain points for retailers. Shipping significant volumes of single carton orders directly to consumers is increasing shipping costs. Picking of single items in an industry where there is a high number of SKUs is labor intensive and costly in time and effort. COVID-19 considerations mean spacing and other DC adjustments to keep labor safe. And finding real estate to accommodate closer fulfillment to the customer can be difficult in metro areas, plus a big investment for companies. One solution that addresses these pain points and is gaining a lot of attention is the Micro-Fulfillment Center, or MFC. Companies can build an MFC in a new standalone facility, inside the back room, or bolted onto an existing facility in an effort to reduce real estate costs. Using advanced automation technology, it brings high storage density, high throughput, and scalability that maximizes small footprints. An MFC can provide multiple fulfillment services, including regular milk run replenishments to other stores in the area to improve in-store product availability, pick, pack, and ship e-commerce orders to customers, reducing final mile delivery costs, or fulfill buy online, pickup in-store orders for customer convenience. In general, MFCs create a more efficient supply chain, mutually benefiting the customer and the retailer. Retailers are looking for opportunities to re-envision not only their warehouse and distribution centers, but also their in-store operations. In the image here, you'll see an example of one of the many possible in-store MFC configurations. Utilizing goods-to-person automation solutions like AutoStore, in this case, allows for high-density storage and throughput in a very small footprint. In retail, clothing, shoes, and other small retail items are perfect fit for the bins. Rapid fulfillment of e-commerce orders for shipping or in-store curbside pickup options are enabled. Together with one of our customers, we've even been able to redesign their existing retail space located in a shopping mall with an AutoStore solution that will fulfill orders on the go as customers walk in, transforming the customer shopping experience. This also creates new opportunities for displaying product and marketing efforts, while keeping the inventory securely contained in an automated solution. All the potential applications of MFCs are exciting, but it's important to note key business and automation considerations that will drive a successful implementation and return on investment. Working with an experienced integrator, an MFC solution can be sized to fit your available space and building attributes, inventory objectives, product profiles, throughput demand fluctuations, and customer experience goals, while also planning for growth. The automation technology selection should be based on layout flexibility options, uptime reliability, fast turnkey installation with standardized and modular software such as the Exacta supply chain software suite. Micro-fulfillment is not a one-size-fits-all solution, however, but its turnkey installation means you can see ROI benefits fast. Our recent retail apparel and footwear playbook dives deeper into the process of developing a strong foundation while highlighting key considerations, technologies, as well as customer experiences in an omni-channel, on-demand, direct-to-consumer services, and more. You can access it directly at bastiansolutions.com.